So today I'll be presenting my morning meeting. This is how my greetings go. Good morning, how are you? Good morning, how are you? Good morning, how are you? I'm so glad Alex is here. I'm so glad Ava's here. I'm so glad Ellie's here. I'm so glad Everly's here. I'm so glad Mason's here. I'm so glad Nico's here. I'm so glad Robert's here. I'm so glad Ryder's here. I'm so glad Miss Haley's here. Today's going to be a great day. So friends, today's project is going to be about Valentine's Day, and we are going to make a heart project. Can anybody make a heart with their hands like Miss Haley is? So, we will each be taking turns about what and who we love. So let's put our Carbon squares away and get ready to dance. So, before we do our project, we are going to dance to a Valentine's Day song called Heart Song. Okay, friends, now that dancing is done, have a seat right where you are, and we're going to go over today's message and today's activity. On these little heart-shaped pieces of paper, I'm going to have tiny messages about you guys. Some examples are, your smile makes me smile. You are my sunshine, and I love your laugh. So now, friends, can we please get up and go have a seat at the table so we can start our own projects?